Let me show you what to do in order to regain your health in few weeks. Look at what I am doing. Pick up a big bottled water. Get 3 sachets of pure water. You call it sachet water. You pick up your Alkaforce. You shake it and pour full cap into your bottle of water. Pick up the iomine. You measure the same quantity with Alkaforce, full cap, and pour it into your bottle of water. After 10 minutes, you shake your bottle of water again. You shake it like this. First thing that morning, you pick up your bottle of water. If you can finish this at a go, fine. But if you cannot finish it at a go, you drink up to half and rest. After like 30 minutes, you drink the remaining one. Do that every morning. No matter the name they call that disease, you see yourself walking out of disease unhurt. Hallelujah.